if you've been searching for Walmart promo codes, I'm going to save you a ton of time, guys, because I searched for hours looking for coupon codes for Walmart that are actually worth using, and I finally managed to find probably the best promo codes that you're going to find. So let's get into the tutorial and let's save you a bunch of time and money, guys. Yo, what is going on, guys? So let's get into the tutorial and show you how I managed to find the best Walmart promo code in 2024. So you need to use your mobile phone. You can see I've got my iPhone here, and you need to go to this website, guys. www.topdogcodes.com. So go to this website on your mobile phone, guys. Top Dog Codes. This is basically a coupon code website, and they also have game codes and gift card codes, so you can literally scroll through here and see what you fancy. But you need to look for the Walmart page. So you can use the search bar at the top to search what you're looking for. And you need to look for this page, guys. Walmart coupons and deals. Now, if you scroll down, you can see these coupons are limited in number. So these are pretty valuable codes because you can get a $100 Walmart promo code or a 50% off your next Walmart order code. So you need to select which code is going to save you the most money. Obviously, if you're going to do a large order, the 50% off code will be awesome. If you're going to do a smaller order, this $100 promo code will save you a bunch. So click on Show Coupon. Now, I'm not going to do the entire process, guys, because as you can see, these coupons are limited and I don't need any more promo codes, so I want to save them for you guys. But basically, you can see you need to unlock your promo code, guys. So this is completely normal. This stops people from stealing all of the available codes on Top Dog Codes. So to get your promo code, you need to tap this unlock code button, and this is going to count up to 100%. So like I said, I'm not going to actually do this, but yeah, once you see a new screen, it's going to tell you how to unlock your promo code. You need to verify yourself as a real person and not one of the aforementioned robots that steal codes. But that's pretty simple. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to verify yourself. You need to complete a couple of these simple tasks. But once you've done that, your Walmart promo code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into numbers and characters, and you can go ahead and enter it into the basket on your Walmart, on the Walmart website, and it's going to save you the corresponding balance. One thing I will mention, guys, this $100 promo code for Walmart, you need to add at least $100 worth of product to your basket for this code to be applied. Pretty simple. Head on over to topdogcodes.com and search for the Walmart page. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.